How to earn $500 in a week as passive income. We all love to sit back, relax and do nothing while the money keeps pouring into our bank account. Sounds appealing. Here's how you did it. Consulting and coaching. The quickest method to make an extra $500 per week is to provide coaching or consulting services to other businesses or individuals. Consider yourself a problem-solving machine in this situation. The bigger the value you can impose, the better you are at addressing other people's difficulties. Humans only pay for value when it comes in the shape of outcomes. In this sense, you're essentially exchanging one intangible item, your knowledge and expertise, for another intangible value, your time, extra money. Put together an online course. If you would not want to spend 40 hours a week coaching live students, creating and offering an online course is another method to make money. You may design lesson plans, record videos, and post them to a course hosting site like Thinkific or Skillshare based on a subject or topic you're educated about. This is a terrific alternative if you're searching for a way to earn money without working. Investing in cryptocurrency. You can use cryptocurrency to generate passive income. There are several possibilities. Purchase and hold. Staking cryptocurrency. Buying and holding are precisely what it says on the tin.